this moment pass without reflecting on how Liverpool are in the process of giving away the English Premier League title. I mean, getting a point away at our bitter rivals generally would be a good point. But in the context of the poor quality of this Manchester United team and how the game unfolded, that little team should have been put to the sword and embarrassed by Liverpool from the first half. Liverpool missed about a dozen chances and just made too many bad decisions in the final third. And those decisions, not the defender's error, cost us the 2 points. And 2 points in such a close title race feels like 20 points lost. As for that penalty that people claiming was not a penalty, the Man United defender went to ground. He missed the ball completely. He made contact with the trailing leg of the Liverpool forward. Stonewall penalty. Again though, it was a penalty that should not have mattered because Liverpool should have been 4 or 5 or 6 love up at that point.